Hello everyone. My name is Tuệ Nhi. I'm 8 years old. I'm in class K3 at CC. Today I will do recording number 13. Don't hiccup. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Dawn is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother gives her a scar. Surprise. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse gives Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn hiccups go. She is happy. She comes her. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shouts and trees. That's the end. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.